Come on.
Where you going? Where you going, Bug? Excited.
Come on.
She's getting mad.
Come on. You can do it.
She's doing it differently this time.
Is she more tired?
Where are you going?
Are you tired?
She's getting mad because she can't get to you.
Come here. Stay close to her because I don't want her to fall back. Yay!
Good job.